Okay then, new bike man, new bike. My new bike just got delivered. My new Kawasaki Eliminator 450 2026, the orange one. I'm really glad they came up with a different color than gray or dark gray or even black. Would have preferred red, but orange is good, man. I really liked it. As soon as I saw it on the website, I said, okay, this is the color, this is the one that I'll get, man. Yeah. I'll eventually be using this to replace my commuter bike. It's getting old, that one. My Honda RS 150. It's more than 10 years old already. I have long decided that, for a more or less pain-free commuting experience, that past 6-7 years I'll be getting a new commuter bike. And as I've said, it's already been more than 10 years serving as my daily ride. And for my next daily ride, I've decided to go a little big time. Well, not that big time, but still big time, considered, all things considered, particularly here in the Philippines, where a common bike is a small bike, 100 to 200 cc, 150, 125 being the more common ones. So this time I'll be using this 450 as my commuter. As soon as I get the papers for it, as soon as I get the ORCR for this bike, as well as the plate, I'll be getting the papers and the plate at the same time, according to Kawasaki Makati. And yeah, I can't wait to get on this bike and give it a ride, man. Yeah, man, yeah.